If you're suffering from psoriasis, there's a very, very strong chance that you've been blessed enough to come across this video, which I'm going to explain shortly. Right now, if you find the video useful, please share the link with others. Subscribe to our channel. On the right of the word subscribe, you will see a bell icon. Press the bell icon, like a bell, and select all, so that you'll receive notification each time we publish a new video, up to date, powerful, and meticulously researched, which will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Now, there's a clue for today. You might find this extraordinary. You've been to the doctors, the skin specialist, healing people, all kinds of people, but you've never been to a versatile and big-ranged wellness practitioner understanding. Guess what it is? The word lapidary. Does that mean anything to you? It means the study of rocks and minerals. Now, minerals are part of the human body. It's part of the universe. It's part of your garden. And what one lady in Malaysia, where I worked for a while, and China, and they both told me that there's a healing part to minerals. And so the idea I'm going to recommend to you, I'm going to show you my favorite, which there was about probably 600 or so minerals open up in the shop. And what the lady was very generous. She said, look at all the minerals there, from the jade to the iron crystals to whatever. And she said, pick the one that suits you. Pick one that makes you feel comfortable. And I picked two. One was a beautiful jade color, and one was this iron stone like that. Have a look at the color. Beautiful. See how it waved? And now this is from Australia. And remarkably, when you look at this and you put that next to your bed, it creates peace in your mind. It creates tranquility. So I carry this on board the plane with me when I travel. And I often have to declare it because it reacts with the machine at the airport. But that particular, if you can see the color, have a good look at that. It's like a bluish green. It's a beautiful color, right? And it's got streaks of gold inside. When you hold it like that, it actually calms your heart down. It makes you feel very relaxed, and you're part of the universe. Now, when you're healing, don't discount unusual type approaches like this. This is not snake oil. It's part of your environment, part of your universe. But pick the stone. Go to a good stone place and pick the one that suits your color, and you will find that when you buy it, you'll get results. Use that. That's part of your healing part of profession. Now, if you found this video useful, please share the link with others. Subscribe to our channel, and the right of the word subscribe, you will see a bell icon. Press the bell icon and select all, so that you'll receive notifications each time we publish a new video, which is up to date, meticulously researched, versatile, and worked out with a lot of intelligent knowledge. It will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays.